Are you people selling sawdust or crayfish? Because what is this? See, what is this? Eh? Is this sawdust or crayfish? See what they give us eat for this place. Sawdust. Try. To go and see it outside. Okay. Sawdust. This is what people are selling to us. Dust. To go and do it outside. See dry crab. Mr. Crab. SpongeBob SquarePants, Mr. Crab. That's stingy Mr. Crab. Hey, Mr. Crab is so stingy. Stingy for your own body self. I never see that kind of human being. Mr. Crab. When I see a cricket, I start calling it cricket green. Children cartoon. Cricket green. Mr. Green. See the dust. The dust.